Bismillah. In this video, I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2, October-November 2021, Variant 3. Number 1, write 26 gram as a percentage of 200 gram. To find the percentage, divide 26 by 208, then multiply by 100. 12.5%. Number 2, the diagram shows two parallel lines intersecting a straight line. Find the value of x. If this angle 132, so this angle 132, corresponding angles. So angle x equal 180 minus 132, 180 minus 132 equals 48. Number 3, from the list, write down the number that is both a prime number and a factor of 195. We have the prime numbers in the list 11, 13, 17, 19. Which one of them factor for 195? Use your calculator and check. 195 divided by 11 doesn't work. We need whole number. 195 divided 13 equals 15, so it does work. So 13 prime numbers and factor for 195. For A, put a ring around each of the symbols that make this statement correct. 0.5 and 5%. 0.5, if you change this decimal to percent, multiply by 100, so this will be 50%. Now we have 50% and 5%, so greater than. B, insert one pair of brackets to make this statement correct. 7 minus 3 minus 1 plus 2 equals 7. Now if we put bracket like that, so do the numbers inside bracket first. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7, so that's work. Number 5, Nina changed 150 euros into dollars when the exchange rate $1 0.9 euro. Calculate the amount Nina receives, so you can cross multiply. You have 153 euros. We need to find the number of dollars, so cross multiply. So 153 times 1 divide 0.9, $170. Number 6, Mark buys a computer for $420. He sells it at a loss 15%. Calculate the selling price of this computer. So 100, and we have loss 15, so the selling price 85. Now we have the list price for 120, so we need to find the price after the loss. So for 120 times 85 divide 100, $357. Number 7, simplify. 32 g bar 32 divide 4 g bar 4. 32 divide 4 equals 8. G bar 32 divide g bar 4, subtract the power. So g power 32 minus 4, which is 28. So 8g power 28. Number 8, Beatrice walks 1 kilometer at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour and then 2 kilometers at a speed 4.5 kilometers per hour. Work out Beatrice's average speed for the whole journey. Average speed, total distance over total time. Total distance 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometer. So the total distance equal 1 plus 2 equal 3 kilometers. Now for the time, we need to find the time for the first journey and the time for the second. The time for the first, you have to divide the distance by the speed, so 1 divided by 4. To find the time for the second journey, divide the distance by speed, so 2 divide 4.5. You can find the answer in simplest form, equals 4 over 9. Now add them, so total time equals 1 over 4 plus 4 over 9 equals 25 over 36. To find the average speed, you need to divide the total distance by the total time, equals 4.32 kilometers per hour. Number 9, write the recurring decimal 0.27 as a fraction. This one mark question, so you need to use calculator to find the answer. Just use your calculator and write 0.27 till full screen, then press equal, you get the answer. Answer equal 3 over 11. Number 10, these are the first 4 terms of the sequence 3, -1, -5, -9. So what is the rule? Subtract 4. Find the next term in this sequence, so -9 minus 4, -13. Find the nth term for this sequence, because we subtract 4, so -4n. To find plus what or minus what, one step to the back. If you go back, add 4. -9 plus 4 equal -5, plus 4, -1, plus 4 equal 3, plus 4 equal 7, so -4n plus 7. Or you can use the rule. In this case, we add -4, so the rule is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, which is 3, plus n minus 1 multiplied by -4. If you simplify, you get the same answer, because 3 and -4 times n, -4n, -4 times -1, +4. Now if you simplify, you get -4n plus 7. So this is the nth term for this type of the sequence. Number 11, b equal m times g square plus h square. Find the value of b when m 100, g 3, h equal 4.5. So substitution. So b equals m 100 bracket g square, so 3 squared, plus h squared, so 4.5 squared. Then find the answer, 2925. B, rearrange the formula to write g in terms of b, m, and h. I need g is the subject. So we have b equals m g squared plus h squared. We need g is the subject. We can expand, so m g squared plus m h squared. Now transpose m h squared to the other side, so b minus m h squared equals m g squared. Divide by m, or transpose m to the other side by division. So now you have b minus m h squared divided by m equals g squared. Now take square root, so g equal positive or negative square root b minus mh squared over m. You can write plus minus, so g plus minus square root b minus mh squared over m. Number 12, without using a calculator, work out 11 over 12 plus 3 over 4. 11 over 12 plus 3 over 4. We need same denominator, so multiply 4 by 3, multiply 3 as well by 3. Now you have 11 over 12 plus 9 over 12 equals 20 over 12. We can divide by 2, So 10 over 6. We can divide by 2 again. We get 5 over 3. We can write as a mixed number. 5 equal 1, 3. We have 1, 3 and 2 left. So 1 and 2 over 3 as a mixed number. Number 13, calculate 0.04 square plus 0.03 multiply 0.28. With your calculator, get the answer first. The answer 0.01. You can write as in standard form 1 times 10 power negative 2. 1 times 10 power negative 2. Number 14. Complete the statement B union Q. B union Q, all the elements in B or Q. So B, C, D, E, F, G. B, C, D, E, F, and G. Find number of Q. This means number of elements of Q. We have 4 elements, so N of Q 4. Find number of not B, B prime, not B intersect Q. Not B, all the region around B. Intersect Q at E, F, G in 3 elements. So number of elements equal 3. Number 15. The cost of a train journey increased by 6% to a new cost $153.70. Calculate the original cost. So increased by 6%, so this means 100, increased by 6, so now 106. After the increase, the cost 153, so write 153.70 and find the original price by cross multiply. So 153.70 times 100 divide 106 equals 145. Number 16. Joe and Mo share $26 to Joe receives $5 more than Mo. Find the ratio Joe's money to Mo's money. Give your answer in the simplest form. So we can consider that Mo, the share of Mo, X. So for Joe, X plus 5 because 5 more. Their sum 26, so X plus 5 equals 26. Now solve for X, so 2X plus 5 equals 26. Subtract 5, so 2X equal 21. 5 go to the other side by negative. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So now X equals 10.5. So now we can say that Mo 10.5 and Joe 10.5 plus 5, which is 15.5. To find the ratio between them in the simplest form, Joe to Mo 15.5 to 10.5. Or you can multiply by 2, you get 31 to 21. So the ratio 31 to 21 in the simplest form. Number 17, each interior angle of a regular polygon is 178.5. Calculate the number of sides. So the exterior, we can find the exterior from the interior, 180 minus 178.5 equals 1.5. Now to find the number of sides, divide 360, the sum of all exterior by 1.5 equals 240 sides. Number 18, find the equation of the straight line that passes through the points 2, negative 2, 3, 10. Give your answer in the form y equal mx plus c. We can find m, y2 minus y1, so 10 minus negative 2, over x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 2, so 12 over 1 equals 12. Now the equation of the line y equals 12x plus c. To find c, substitute by any point. We can substitute by 3 and 10. So 10 equals 12 multiply 3 plus c. So 10 equals 36 plus c So transpose 36 to the other side, so 10 minus 36, so negative 26. So the equation of the line y equal 12x minus 26. Number 19. The diagram shows a sector of a circle, center O, radius 12.6. Calculate the perimeter of the shaded segment. To find the perimeter of the shaded segment, we need to find the length of the chord plus the length of the arc. For the chord, we can find the length of the chord from cosine rule, because we have two sides and included angle. So the length of the chord equals square root 12.6 squared plus 12.6 squared minus 2 times 12.6 times 12.6 cosine of 80 equals 16.2 to 3 significant figure. So now this is the chord 16.2. Now to find the length of the arc, we have rule for the length of the arc, the angle over 360 times 2 by r. So for the length of the arc, 80 over 360 times 2 by r, which is 12.6, equals 17.6 to 3 significant figure. Now we can add 16.2 plus 17.6 to find the perimeter. Answer 33.8. Number 20. A lake has an area 3 kilometers square. On a map, the area of the lake is 18.75 centimeters square. Find the scale of the map in the form 1 to n. The map scales the ratio between the map length to the real length. So we need to find the ratio first between the map area and the real area. The map area 18.75 centimeters square and the actual area 3 kilometers square. So we need to find the ratio in the simplest form between the map area and the real area, then take a square root to find the map scale. So this kilometer square and this centimeter square, you need to change kilometer square to centimeter square. From kilometer to centimeter times 100,000. So from kilometer square to centimeter square times 100,000 square. So now this number will be 18.75 centimeter square, and the other one 3 times 10 power 10 centimeter square. Now we have the same unit, so we can cancel the unit. So the ratio between them 18.75 to 3 times 10 power 10. The scale of the map, take square root for 18.75 over 3 times 10 power 10. The answer as a fraction 1 to 40,000. So now this 40,000. 21. Simplify following. 243y power 10 all power 3 over 5. Distribute the power. So 243 power 3 over 5 and y power 10 all power 3 over 5 equals, use your calculator to find the answer for that one. The answer 27. Now for two powers, multiply them. 10 times 3 over 5, so power 6, y power 6. 22. Solve the simultaneous equation. Show all your working. Y equal x squared minus 3x minus 13, y equal x minus 1. We can solve by substitution. So substitute y by x minus 1. So x minus 1 equals x squared minus 3x minus 13. Now transpose x minus 1 to the other side. Now you have x squared, negative x and negative 3x, so negative 4x. And transpose negative 1 by positive, so negative 13 plus 1, so negative 12. This equals 0. Now factorize, or you can use your calculator to factorize. X minus two numbers, if you multiply you get negative 12, if you add you get negative 4, so negative 6 and positive 2 is equal 0. So we have x equal 6 or x equal negative 2. If x equals 6, you can substitute to find y. Y equal x minus 1. So y equals 6 minus 1, which is 5. So y equal 5. If x is negative 2, so y equal negative 2 minus 1. So y equal negative 3. So the two solution, x equal 6 and y equal 5. The second solution, x equal negative 2 and y equal negative 3. 23. The diagram shows a triangular prism. Angle BBC equals 90. Calculate AC. We can find AC with the same rule for the diagonal of a cuboid, which is length square plus width square plus height square to find the diagonal square. So to find the diagonal, AC equals square root 12 square plus 5 square plus 4 square equals 13.6 to 3 significant figure. B. Calculate the angle between AC and the base ABBQ. To find the angle between AC and the base, AC intersects the base at A, perpendicular from C to the base will be B. So join AB, join the diagonal AB. Now this triangle CBA, right angle triangle, we have AC. We need to find the angle between AC and AB. We need to find this angle and this right angle triangle. We have AC equal 13.6 and we have CB is 4. So we have opposite and the hypotenuse, so we can use sine inverse to find theta. So theta sine inverse 4 over 13.6, 17.1 to 1 decimal. 24. Tan x equal root 3 and x more than or equal 0, less than or equal 360. Find all possible values for x. So now find the acute angle first. Tan inverse root 3 equals 60 degrees. Now tan positive in which quadrant? From the asterisk rule, tan positive in the first, which is theta, and the third, which is 180 plus theta. So the possible values 60 and 180 plus 60, which is 240. So the two solutions 60 degrees and 240 degrees. 25. Simplify the algebraic fraction. Factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator, then cancel the common factor. For the numerator, the first step to factorize, if you have common factor, extract the common factor. We have between 3 and 18, we have 3 common. We x squared and x, we have x common. So we have 3x common factor. Now 3x times what? So 3x times x minus 3x times 6, negative 6. So we factorize the numerator. For the denominator, we have 4 terms. So factorize by grouping 2 by 2. If we take the first 2, we have a common. So a into x minus 6. And for the last 2, we have 2c common. So 2c, and you are left with x minus 6. For the denominator, you can take x minus 6 common. You are left with a plus 2c. And the numerator same, 3x times x minus 6. Now you can cancel x minus 6 with x minus 6. So the simplest form for this algebraic fraction, 3x over a plus 2c. 26. ORT is a triangle. X is a point on TR, so that TX to X are 3 to 2. tx to xr 3 to 2. So the ratio between them is 3 to 2. We have 5 parts in all, 3 plus 2, 5. So this 3 over 5 is the whole length, and this 2 over 5. O is the origin, OR equal R, OT is T. Find the position vector of x. Position vector means start from O, so position vector for x, this means OX. To find OX, we can do that via R or via T. So OX equal OR plus RX through R, or if you use T, so OT plus TX. Now we can use that one. OX equal OR plus RX. OX, vector OX equals vector OR plus vector RX. OR equal R. Now how to find Rx? Rx part from RT. RT, we can find RT. RT equal RO plus OT. RO, which is negative R, plus OT, which is T. So Rx is 2/5 from RT. And the RT is RO plus OT. So negative R plus T. Negative R plus T. Now we need to expand. So R, 2 over 5 times negative, so negative 2 over 5 R. 2 over 5 times T, so 2 over 5 T. Combine the like terms. We have 1 R minus 2 over 5 R, so 3 over 5 R plus 2 over 5 T.